Are you looking for a 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath condo in the Sheboygan area? Well, what if I told you it was on the Sheboygan River across from Kiwanis Park and it had a 2-car garage? Well, you're in luck. Our newest listing at 824 North 15th Street is quite the property. Why don't we take a look inside? But before we go in, let me tell you about the area. This property is walkable to Starbucks and Kiwanis Park right over here. It's bikeable to downtown and the lakefront, and a quick drive to the interstate. So no matter where you're looking to go, you can get there fast. This condo has 1,082 square feet of space. That means it's got 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and it's almost new construction, so it's got everything that you're looking for in a brand new place to live, including stainless steel appliances, a breakfast countertop that's absolutely beautiful, and luxury vinyl tile. Now on the first floor here, we've got the open concept kitchen and living area. Around the corner, there's a half bath and a 2-car heated garage. Why don't you check that out, and I'll meet you upstairs and we'll show you the rest. On the upper level, you'll find 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and 2nd floor laundry. But that is not the best thing about this place. Why don't you take a walk through the primary bedroom here and look out in that patio. Isn't this view just spectacular? There's a large deck up here, big enough for you and a couple of friends to hang out and enjoy the picturesque views of the Sheboygan River and Kiwanis Park behind me. There's a couple of great festivals that happen over there, like the Brat Days Festival, the Hmong Festival, among a few others. And it's walking distance to the beer garden and a really cool ramp where you can launch any sort of non-motorized boats. With this property, that's not all. It also comes fully furnished, so if you want every single thing to stay the way it is, how nicely decorated it is today, it'll come with it. This is currently operating as an active Airbnb, so if you want to live in here full-time or add it to your investment portfolio, there's options here. What are you waiting for? Don't just dream about it. Give me a call, text, or email, and I'd be happy to show it to you, and we can make this property yours.